Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to withdraw USDT from your Binance Web3 wallet to your Trust wallet. So let's get started. The first thing you need to go is to proceed to your Trust wallet to copy your receiving wallet. So this is my Trust wallet. I will proceed to copy my USDT wallet. USDT Binance Smart Chain. So always take note of the network you are sending from and the network you are sending to. So you can see USDT Ethereum, USDT, though they are the same, but always take note in case of transferring back. So you click on Binance Smart Chain is the one I want to use. So I'll proceed to copy that. So I'll head over to my Binance app. Once it opens, Once my Binance app opens, I will be on Asset, then click on Wallet. Once my wallet opens, the next thing I need to do is to click on Assets. Then you click on the wallet I want, the coin I want to send, then USDT. Then I will click on Send. Then I will click on Send. Then I will paste the wallet address. Then I will click Continue. Then after Continue, I will click on Maximum. Then once you click Maximum, Continue. You see, then the next thing you see is Confirm. I want you to take note of something. Binance Smart Chain transactions on Binance are actually free. So if let's assume we are sending to TRC wallet or ERC20 or any network aside this Binance Smart Chain, will actually be charged some network fee to send. So once I click Confirm, then I'll put my password and click Continue, and my transaction will be successful. So that is it, guys. If you actually found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips like this.